A very warm welcome to all of you. Today we have joined for the pitch fest of AI for Race 2020. I'm sure everyone who's been watching this would have seen the kind of energy, momentum, and excitement that we're seeing around the event on all the social media platforms. And before we begin, and I tell you, and we get to meet the companies, I want to tell you about, and all of you would have heard that yesterday our Prime Minister said something very powerful. He said that we want India to become a global hub for AI. Many Indians are already working on this, and I hope many more do so in the times to come. So today is our opportunity to show you that those interesting, young, dynamic young Indians who are using AI to build solutions for India, to build startups and products for India. And also before I open to the panelists, one of the biggest thing about AI is, and what Prime Minister alluded to and said, is that it can do wonders for our planet. And this Pitch Fest, we are going to show you wonderful, powerful, and truly indigenous, made in India products and startups who are creating incredible story and who will, we hope, with this and with Raise, create more powerful story in the times to come. With that, we will now move to the education category, and let's look at the first company in the education category is Cogniable.
Hi, my name is Manu Kohli and I am CEO of Cogniable. Every 1 out of 100 children in India is diagnosed with autism. Indian Academy of Pediatrics recommends that all children should be screened for developmental checks between 18 to 24 months of age. With 18 million children born in India a year, only a handful of children can be screened due to limited infrastructure. Because of late diagnosis, a child loses the opportunity to receive early intervention services that can improve IQ by 10 to 15 points. Every year in India, we add 200,000 new cases of autism, and the families spend 30,000 Indian rupees a month for intervention services that can last for years and are localized in the urban cities. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the majority of intervention centers are not operational and parents are facing challenges with respect to accessibility, affordability, and skill development to manage children's behavior at home. This warrants a technology-mediated model to overcome the challenges. At Cogniable, we have developed artificial intelligence-based solutions for autism screening and intervention. On autism screening, pediatric experts have identified 12 behavioral landmarks critical in identification of autism at an early age. A parent is requested to play with the child based on a script in comfort of their home to evoke those behavioral landmarks that the children with autism usually lack. That session is video recorded and analyzed by an artificial intelligence model that suggests if the child is on a risk of autism condition. Our innovation has been published, patented, and has received BIRAC Big Grant as well. Autism intervention services are available on our platform through a mobile application in 5 languages that empowers parents, schools, and clinicians with the availability of an integrative assessment and intervention plan only at 10% of the market price. The intervention plan is built with a click of a button that a parent can execute with a child to enhance language, behavior, academic, and social skills through detailed protocols and training videos. The progress data is measured by machine learning models to personalize the intervention plan for the child and fast-track the skill acquisition rate. Cogniable mobile app brings families, schools, and clinicians on a common data platform, improving information access and bringing in affordability, accessibility, and quality in autism detection and intervention process. Cogniable is formed by researchers and faculty members of IIT Delhi, board-certified behavior analysts, powered by Fortis Mental Health Group, with academic tie-ups with 2 leading government hospitals of India, and we are participating to test our innovation with Tata Trust in a real-life community setting. Currently, Cogniable is used by 6 clinics and more than 100 users in India, US, UK, Japan, and Bangladesh. Please visit our website, email us, or call us, and let's get to know more about each other. Thank you.
Manu, congratulations. This is phenomenal.
Yeah, hi Shraddha.
Yes, Manu.
Yeah, hi Shraddha. Hi, I'm there, and with me I have my co-founder and my wife as well, Swati.
Hi, Congratulations. We are so proud, so proud. And I am saying on behalf of all of us, very proud of the venture that you've built. Very few, and I've been tracking this space for the last 12 years. I've seen very few, I can count, if not even count, startups that are looking at autism screening and therapy. And both of you have done such a phenomenal job. Tell us what got you into building this startup.
We were so we are parent of a child with autism. So when he was young, now he's 16. So when he was young, we really struggled to find a standardized, intervention for him. And we relocated from one place to another. So over a period of time, we realized that if parents have something stable, something, based on technology, it can really, brief their stress and anxiety, and they can, intervention can start at the early age for the children, because a lot of crucial time get wasted finding the standardized intervention, going to centers, commuting. It's quite tiring for parents looking at their diet, going for different therapies to different places. So this can always be substituted or accompanied whatever the parents are doing, and at a very economically rate. So it was just, motivated by our own personal experience with our child.
I want to hug you, Swati, and I hope I can do this virtually. And Manu, phenomenal. From your own, हम कहते हैं ना startup world में कि pain point होता है. मतलब this is like so soulful and so powerful that from your own thing, you're creating solution for so many. So hats off to you. I also want to understand, are you mapping the impact that your screening and your solution is bringing to the families?
Yes, we on our intervention solution, we really started something on just after COVID, on I think first week of April, and we had almost 15 families with whom we piloted the solution, and we saw that the autism severity scores drastically dropped by 4 points on a childhood autism rating scale over a span of 3.5 months. And it was all parents contained at home. They didn't had any intervention center to go. They just used our app and followed the protocol that we kept suggesting. So yes, the impact is there. Definitely, we have been running these screening solutions now all digitally with the families, and we have almost like 20 to 25 families contacting us every day. It's running under a government trial, so it's free for all right now. But yes, I mean, there is a model that we are developing. Distribution model is completely new. It's online, but yeah, but let's hope so that we kind of make it there.
I'm taking the liberty of saying on behalf of METI, on behalf of RAISE 2020, phenomenal. Very proud to have you as one of our winners and showcase this. The kind of impact that you're creating is what we need as a country, and very proud. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
So what I will do is that I will ask my team, and in fact, Shraddha's team together, they have created a beautiful video which announces the list of all the 21 companies. So can we have the video, please? Thank you. So this is short snapshot, but what it also shows is that while Karnataka has the lion's share of the startups which are doing that, which is expected and natural, but we also have a Jharkhand, and we also have a Haryana, and we also have a Tamil Nadu and Telangana. So it's quite diverse. The kind of companies which are coming from every nook and corner of the country is very inspiring, and we hope that the trend continues and let the 15 become 150 and so on and so forth. So that is where our strength will lie. So congratulations once again, and over to you, Shraddha.
So with this, we come to the end of RAISE 2020, AI Atmanirbhar Startup Pitch Fest. And we are hoping that all these companies, and of course, we're going to be tracking all of you along with METI, along with MyGov, and we'll ensure that all of you get tremendous visibility, reach, connections, We're working very closely with the race team, with the government and Abhishek sir, because he's, I'm sure, going to make sure that we all work very hard, and all of you, this is just the start to a tremendous journey ahead. And also, please join me, and this is for all the startups and everyone watching this, in congratulating METI again. And I really want to, I'm reinforcing this because it is a very significant move that the government today is, not only making sure that it's engaging, working, endorsing, validating, and supporting startups, but is also embracing new technology. And because AI startups only in our country are not tremendous and very large, but I think with this kind of a support, this kind of standing with the startups in AI space, it's just ensuring that we will have more and more success stories. So congratulations to the METI team. Congratulations, Ajay sir.